Welcome back to Jupiter Machine, your go-to channel for 3D design and creative inspiration. Today, we're diving deep into the art of digital creation, revisiting old designs, and pushing our creative boundaries. Let's explore how we can apply Stoic principles to stay motivated and innovative in an ever-changing digital landscape. As creators, we often face the challenge of staying relevant in a world where AI tools like Midjourney are revolutionizing the creative process. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or tempted to take shortcuts, but remember, true creativity comes from within. Let's embrace the Stoic approach and focus on what we can control: our dedication, skills, and unique vision. Revisiting old designs with fresh eyes. I've pulled up one of my old projects from the archives. At first glance, it might seem complete, but there's always room for improvement. The Stoics taught us that growth comes from continuous reflection and refinement. So let's challenge ourselves to add more interesting details and push beyond our comfort zone. Go back to your old archive and select one of your old project. The power of plasticity. One tool that's been instrumental in my creative process is Plasticity. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to jump in and start blocking out new ideas. Let's use it to add some fresh elements to our design. Embracing challenges as opportunities for growth. Remember, the obstacle is the way. If you're feeling stuck, use that challenge as a springboard for innovation. Maybe that tricky curve you've been avoiding is exactly what your design needs to stand out. This principle, deeply rooted in Stoic philosophy, encourages us to view obstacles not as hindrances, but as opportunities for growth and creativity. In the creative process, challenges are inevitable. They come in various forms: technical difficulties, creative blocks, or even external criticism. However, by adopting a Stoic mindset, we can transform these challenges into catalysts for innovation. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control: our skills, effort, and creative vision. When faced with a difficult aspect of a design, instead of shying away, we should see it as an opportunity to push our boundaries and explore new creative solutions. For instance, that tricky curve you've been avoiding might seem like a daunting task, but it could also be the unique element that makes your design stand out. By embracing the challenge, you allow yourself to experiment and potentially discover a new technique or style that enhances your work. Stoicism in the creative process. As we work, let's consider how Stoic principles can guide our creative journey. Focus on what you can control. Concentrate on your skills, effort, and creative vision. Accept that you cannot control external factors such as market trends or other people's opinions. This focus helps maintain a clear and objective mindset, essential for creativity. Embrace challenges. View obstacles as opportunities for growth and innovation. Each challenge you face is a chance to refine your skills and push your creative limits. This mindset not only enhances your work, but also builds resilience. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and engaged with your work. Avoid distractions and immerse yourself fully in the creative process. This state of creative flow is where true innovation happens, balancing innovation and authenticity. In today's fast-paced digital world, it's tempting to chase every new trend. However, true creativity isn't about following the crowd. It's about staying true to your unique vision while continually evolving. Authenticity in your work is what sets you apart from others. It's essential to balance innovation with authenticity, ensuring that your creative output remains true to your values and vision. While AI tools and new technologies can speed up the creative process and provide new sources of inspiration, they should be used as aids rather than crutches. The real challenge and the real art lies in integrating these tools into your workflow in a way that enhances your unique creative voice without compromising it. As we wrap up this enhanced design, remember that creativity is a journey, not a destination. By applying Stoic principles to our work, we can find fulfillment in the process itself, regardless of external outcomes or trends. Keep pushing your boundaries, revisit old ideas with fresh perspectives, and most importantly, stay true to your passion. The real magic happens when you combine your unique vision with consistent effort. Thank you for joining me on this creative exploration. If you found value in this approach, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep creating and stay stoic.